I've been at NCMT now for 6 months, so since October, and my background's always been in machine tools and always been in machine tool automation specifically. So I've worked for a variety of different automation manufacturers, both in the machine tool sector and simply automation builders themselves. And now I've joined NCMT to support NCMT's offering in automation solutions and really grow and develop the team and the offering that NCMT can offer both with automation partners and in-house automation. So at MAC we're showing a pallet system from Cattaneo on the VA300, as well as 2 different Sauro systems. So one of them is based on a collaborative FANUC robot. It's called the Co-Mate, so it's a standard offering from Sauro with a collaborative robot, and that can be fully integrated with NCMT, so we can offer customers not just a standard out-the-box solution, but also with different add-ons to it, as well as offer it as a full turnkey with the metal cutting side, machine tool side, as well as the automation. So it's completely ready, fully integrated and ready to go for the customer. And behind me we've also got a Sauro Accelerate X20, which is the second biggest sort of Accelerate system in the Accelerate family that Sauro offer. It's a very, very flexible system. It's got different drawers, so different material can be added on each of the drawers, and it's a very, very flexible system. It's perfect for job shops, but it's also got enough material storage space for some smaller OEMs, and there are also other sizes of systems available for the larger OEMs, people that need more space, more storage, more capabilities of running lights out and unmanned. And as my role as business development manager here at NCMT, it's also great to be able to educate people that maybe don't know a lot about automation, don't know a lot about robotics. So it's great to have that collaboration, have that integration with people, and really show them what is possible in the market and answer all of their questions.